What's inside this container?
It's fidget spinners.
But these spinners are gonna be for my video today.
Let's take them all.
And put them in the container.
I bet there's more around here.
Let's find them.
There are more.
Yep, wait until the end.
Is this gonna be how it's supposed to go?
It will, don't worry.
And don't forget, I really love fidget spinners. I don't have to actually use them a lot. Now, we sure know fidget spinners can spin for a long time, but how many will we find?
And the USA fidget spinner? We will find it.
It's coming.
Let's open another one.
Wow! We found it!
And look, there it is.
Hooray for the USA
fidget
fidget
spinner.
Legendary spinner. Yes!
I can't believe we found so many.
And I bet there's rainbow ones too.
So many spinners. I love them.
I cannot believe it. Is it fidget spinner special or what?
I don't think that's enough. Look what's there.
Wow, there's 3 more.
This is gonna be awesome.
Meanwhile, Clevisa and Camilla.
Haha, I love this fidget spinner we found. What's that?
We are here to get that fidget spinner and put it where it's supposed to be.
Red Battler, go get that spinner.
Help,
no.
please. There it is. No,
What? Oh no,
it
it's
cannot
gone,
be.
Clevisa.
Where could it be?
Get out, Red Battler.
Forget that. Look at how many we have.
Awesome.
It's Gita Kosie's Fidget Spinner Special. Let's get them all out and look at all of them.
Three, two, one. Here are all the spinners.
Wow! Just wow!
Now let's get them beside the others.
These rainbow ones are the most special. Just look how many.
And now for the USA one.
The all-time special. Wow.
And these ones have lines on them.
That's such very good spinners.
And this one is gray.
Just watch what happens.
Oh my god, it can change as well.
Crazy, right? And there's still one more.
No, 6 more.
Sorry, it was a mistake.
It's okay.
Now for the ultra special spinner. The Galaxy Fidget Spinner.
Yay!
Awesome.
That's all of them. Let's put them in groups of 4.
And a spinning party? A good idea.
All right, it's ready.
Let's spin them all.
Just imagine we finish spinning all of the fidget spinners.
Yay!
So many.
Look at them all spinning.
So many colors. Oh, some have stopped already.
Hey guys, do you think you can build a tower with me?
Sure we can. A brilliant idea.
So we just have to put one on top. And that's how you do it. And spin. Cool, right? And they just fell. Ugh!
Look what we did.
Whoa, how many are there?
5.
Now look what we did.
Wow, that's actually awesome. Now there are 6 of them, but come see ours again. So we're better than you.
You do not have to show off. Ugh!
How about a last one? I'm scared, but will that stay?
It stayed. 10 fidget spinners. That's a new record.
I want to see how it looks like when they spin.
Come on. You can do it. Go, go, go.
Be careful, Clavisa.
No! Ugh!
They all fell. Wow, I thought they would fall, but they're not.
So many spinners.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video.
Make sure to subscribe.
And like this video.
I hope you had fun.
Bye!
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to watch another video, view my videos and check it out. And if you'd like to watch Leonardo 21st channel, just click in the description and check it out.
Goodbye everyone. See you all in the next video.